Yo, dude, what are you doing? Oh my god. Why are you always filming me? Cause, listen, could you not bother me right now? I'm in the middle of playing, this game right now. So, what are you playing, dude? I'm playing the PS1. Oh, PlayStation 1, huh? So could you just go away and leave me alone? I'm working here. I'm in the middle of doing important things right now. I'm playing a game, alright? So just go away and leave me alone. Okay, dude, whatever. Dude! Alright, I'm going. Jeez Louise. Let's see what he's doing. Let's just sneak in and film this, and he's playing a game. He's playing a PlayStation 1. Yeah, what is... Come on, fight! Oh, he's playing the fighting games. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, it's the telephone. Hello? Hello? Darn it. Nobody's not answering. Alright. I'm going back to play my game. What the heck are you doing? What I said about not playing this, the stupid video darn game. Dad, no, stop! Stop, what are you doing? Okay, this time I am going to chainsaw this stupid PlayStation 1. How about that? No, please, stop it! Stop that, no! This is what I got! I got that for my birthday last year! No, stop! This is very expensive. This costs like $1,000, man. Who cares? So I'm gonna chainsaw this right now. No, what do you do? No! Oh! Stop! Get off me! Stop! What are you doing? Stop! Are you crazy? What is the matter with you, bro? That's what you get. Now, you are gonna get a goddarn job. That's what you are going to get. So, that should teach you a lesson. So, learn your lesson. No! Here's a stupid PlayStation. No! What? No! Oh my god! The stupid president! Look what you did! He chainsaws the PS1! Oh. Oh, I'm so sorry, bro. Just turn off the camera. Go away. Oh. Dude, I'm so sorry, bro. You're gonna have to repair this again with the PS1. Get out of here! Leave me alone! Alright, bro. Just turn it off, will ya? Look, bro, it's off. Turn it off!